Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About 81, that's about 9 square. So this is about identity. So we will have about s minus 9, s plus 9. Next, we do about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over s minus 9 and capital B over s plus 9. Later that we do common denominator. So capital A multiplied by s plus 9 and capital B multiplied by s minus 9 over s minus 9 s plus 9. Now we need to expand this one. You got about as plus 9a. This one you got about bs minus 9b. So we have s and s. We can do about factorization. So we look carefully about this one. We got about number 1. That means coefficient of this one should be equals to number 1. We have a plus b. So this one we don't have s. So a plus b equal to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. That is about a plus b equals to number 0. 9a minus 9b equals to number 1. And now we need to find the solution of a and b. So 8 equals to 1 over 18. b equals to negative 1 over 18. And now we put the solution going here. So a equals to 1 over 18. b equals to negative number 1 over 18. And we put about ds. And now we got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.